It is cosec raised to the power 6a, cosec raised to the power 6a minus cot raised to the power 6a is equal to 3 cot square a cosec square a minus 1 plus 1. Is it? It is like this. Question number 23 first part. ठीक है?
Cosec raised to the power 6a minus cot raised to
अरे
the power
sorry,
6.
it should be cot. Cot raised to the power 6 here, right? So LHS is equal to cosec square a whole cube minus cot square a whole cube, right? And you know that a cube, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab. You get this? This is the formula. So we apply here. So it becomes, it is cosec square a minus cot square a bracket cosec square a whole square plus cot square a whole square plus cosec square a cot square a. Is it? This cosec square a and cot square a turns to be 1. So 1 into 1 becomes 1. So it is we get okay. So you need 3 cot square a. Okay. You get you get 1 minus cot square a 1 minus cot square a whole square plus cot square a cot raised to the power 4a, right? Plus So this is cosec square A cot square A. Is it? Huh? So this will be opened again. 1 square plus cot square cot raised to the power 4a minus 2 cot square a plus cot raised to the power 4a plus cosec raised to the square a cot square a. Right? Now what will happen?
Commonly.
Oh,
Commonly.
oh. Oh. We have to apply one thing here, you know. In this phase, if you don't write it like this, right, you can write it like this, like you know the formula that a minus b, please be quiet,
बी क्वाइट नहीं
a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Is it? If you write here cosec square a minus cot square a whole square is is equal to cosec square, sorry, cosec square a plus cosec square raised to the power 4a upon cot raised to the power 4a minus 2 cosec square a cot square a, right? So you can write it in a format cos, so you bring this on the other side, so this is equal to what? This is equal to 1, so this is 1 square plus plus 2 cosec square a cosec square a
So 1 plus
cot square a, huh?
so equals to
Cosec square a minus is equal, this is equal to 1, you know, so I take it in the next as a 1, its value is 1,
इसको इधर ले लो.
इसको हमने इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, is equal to, you can write it cosec square a raised to the power 4 plus cot square a raised to the power 2. So what is the meaning of this? This is equal to this is, right? In place of this, you know, in place of this, you can write this, right? So this is equal to 1, so no issue. So we have how much? You will write it like this, that now you can write 1 square 1 plus, you have taken in place of this, you write here 2 cosec square a cot square a, right, plus cosec square a cot square a. When you add these two, you get how much? 1 plus 3 cosec square a cot square a. So this is how we get, or you can write it in that way, associative property. So you can write 2 cosec square a cot square a plus 1 is equal to RHS. You get this? So here you have to apply this logic, a plus b cube, then transfer, then put the value. So here you can say we have taken as a is equal to
cosec.
cosec square a and b is equal to
Cot square.
cot square a, right? And when we solve, put the values, then we get this much, and then we transferred, and this can be written as no, this is not like this. Oh my god, this is 4a. So you know, this can be written as like this, and this can be written as like this, right? And then we put the values here, and we bring this minus on this side, so this is the value of cosec square a whole square plus cot square a whole square. You get, substituting here, then you can get, otherwise you can't do that, right? So you have to use this formula and then values, then get the value of this cosec square a plus cot square a. If you go what I was doing earlier, then you will reach nowhere, right? So to prevent that, we have to look at in this, and then only we can solve this, right? So this was the solution. This is how you can do this, right? Should I rub? What is next? Great. 23rd, second part. Okay. These questions are, writing is quite big. Question number 23, second part. What is that? Sec raised to the power 6a, sec 6a minus 10 6a. Is it? 10 raised to the power? No. Is it same? So what do you get? 1 plus 3 10 square a plus 3 10 raised to the power 4a. Here it works. What we were doing earlier, that is working here. So you write here LHS is equal to sec square a whole cube minus 10 square a whole cube, right? And you know that a cube, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus b square minus ab, right? No, it is plus ab. Is it? You know this formula? So put this value here. When you will putting it here, you get sec square a minus tan square a, right? Bracket sec square a whole square plus tan square a whole square plus sec square a tan square a. You get it? What I was doing in previous question, that we have to apply here. So this is here is equal, this is equal to 1, right? So you can write here 1 into bracket sec square a will be written as 1 plus tan square 1 plus tan square a whole square plus 10 raised to the power 4a, 10 raised to the power 4a plus, you get this? So this bracket is not required. Why should I put it here? Okay, this one I have taken, that's why I had done this. This one I have taken, so that's why it is in brackets. Okay, this is like this is like this. So plus, again sec square a is 1 plus 10 raised 10 square 10 sec square a is equal to 1 plus 10 square a. Okay, is it? Plus into 10 square a. You look at here where you are concentrating. This one is gone, multiplied by whole, right? So now we have 1 plus 10 raised to the power 4a plus 2 10 square a plus 10 की power 4a plus 10 square a 10 square a plus 10 raised to the power 4a. You get this? Now this 4a plus 4a and plus 4a, right? You get how much?
3.
1 plus 3 10 raised to the power 4a plus 2 10 square a plus 10 square a becomes 3 10 square a. You get this? You can write in ascending order if we say. So we can write it like this: 1 plus 3 10 square a plus 3 10 raised to the power 4a is equal to RHS. You get this? So what I was doing earlier in the previous section, that we have to apply here, and there we have to apply that more we have to apply the algebraic expansion a minus b whole square, then we can get that, right? So this is the solution of question number 23, second part, sorry. You done this? Done? It's over? Should we call off?
Yes.
We left the second part, no? Of question number 24. Can I do it? Should I done? You won't write, I send you. You just wait for 5 minutes. You can do it. Is it? You can do it. Okay. Question number 24, second part. What is that? Sin theta, no? What is? Sin theta upon
cot theta
cot theta
plus cosec theta
cot theta plus cosec theta
is equal to 2 plus
is equal to 2 plus
sin theta
अरे यार sin theta
upon cot theta minus
cot theta minus
cosec theta.
cosec theta. Oh my god. Should I go like this? You bring it on the other side. If you write it, sin theta upon cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 minus sin theta bracket cosec theta minus cot theta. I did little bit short. I take minus common from here and that plus minus minus this cosec theta turns to be plus and cot theta turns to be minus. You bring whole as a on this side, so you get sin theta upon cosec theta plus cot theta plus sin theta upon cosec theta minus cot theta. Is it? Is equal to 2. Now what you do?
Cosec square.
If you take cosec square theta, they are get multiplied. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta and cot. So there is sin theta bracket cosec theta minus cot theta, right? Plus here, if you take minus comma out, then plus. So it is sin theta bracket cosec theta plus cot theta, right? You get this? Is equal to 2. This value turns to be 1. So denominator is gone. And so this denominator turns to be 1. And you get sin theta into cosec theta minus sin theta cot theta plus sin theta cosec theta plus sin theta cot theta is equal to 2. Is it? This is in denominator we get 1, right? And what happens? This minus sin theta cot theta plus sin theta cot theta is gone, and now you get how much? You get it? Sin theta, you get sin theta into 1 upon sin theta plus sin theta into 1 upon sin theta is equal to 2. This is cancelled, 1, and this is 1. So you get how much? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So you get 2 is equal to 2. Hence, proof. You get it? This is how we can do this. This is the one way to solve, right? Otherwise you have to go by, otherwise you have to, this is the method which I solved, is a little bit different. Otherwise you have to solve this and this, and then after you go through, right?